Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this template. First of all, you're gonna open a blank slide and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Now insert a rounded corner rectangle and then make it fully rounder. Now you're gonna move it right here like this, duplicate it again and again by pressing Ctrl plus T, and you're gonna put it in this manner. Now move them upwards and adjust their sizes. Now select the rectangle and then the other shapes. Go to merge option and click on subtract. Now give it an outline of white color. Go to insert tab and insert a video of whatever you want to insert in it. Send it to the back and you have to select the rectangle, go to shape fill, and we're going to use eyedropper to give it an fill of the same color as the background video. Next, you're gonna insert a text box for the title and we're gonna increase its size. Change its color to white so that we can see it clearly. And be sure to use a eye-catching title. Next, we're gonna insert a straight line just below the title. And here you go. Next, into the small circle, remove its outline and then give it a fill of white color. And we're gonna give it shadow of outline and duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus G, and we're gonna put them right here like this. Now go to icons in the insert tab and insert three of your favorite icons that you want to use in this template. So we'll just decrease their size and then we're gonna change their color if we want. I'm using the background color. Next, we're gonna insert each of the icons while making their sizes smaller into each of the circle. So be sure to use a nice color and be sure to put each of the icon into the middle and the center of each of the circle. Next, insert a straight text box in front of each of the circle and insert your content text in it. Now let me duplicate this same text box to be used in the next template and the next template as well. So this is how you make this template, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.